We are just 14 months away from the first presidential primary elections. One America's Alex Salvi takes a look at a recent poll which could give insight into potential challengers.
The latest poll coming out of Iowa is providing insight to potential 2020 hopefuls. According to the Des Moines Register CNN poll released on Saturday, former Vice President Joe Biden tops the charts for Democrat candidates. At 32%, Biden was the clear favorite among the party's voters, with independent Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders coming in a distant second at 19%.
And I'm trying to ascertain, quite honestly, going beyond ego, A, which candidate has the best chance to beat Trump, and B, which candidate's ideas can most turn this country around.
And rounding out the top three is Congressman Beto O'Rourke, who garnered 11% of the vote. While the third place spot doesn't come off as flattering, 1 in 3 caucus goers didn't know enough about O'Rourke to have an opinion of him, which is actually a good sign showing that he has substantial room to improve.
And also, she wanted to know if you're running for president in 2020.
Oh, I don't know. We're still thinking it through, talking to family, so
awesome.
We'll see. But thanks for asking.
Underperforming in the poll was Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren, who received 8% support, and Senator Kamala Harris, who received 5%. The latest numbers set the stage for a contest that will sweep across Iowa over the next 14 months, but perhaps former polls will provide better context. For example, in the 2008 poll by the same publication, John Edwards led caucus goers with 36% of the vote. Coming in second was former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton at 16%, and the eventual candidate, then Senator Barack Obama, at 11%. Speaking of Hillary Clinton, with rumors circling that she may be preparing for a third presidential bid, Democrats don't seem to be on board with that idea. In fact, more Democrats have an unfavorable view of Clinton at 49% than the 47% who said they viewed her in a favorable light.
I'm not going to handicap the race before anybody actually gets into it. I think we'd have a number of excellent candidates who would be really formidable on the campaign trail, but let's wait and see who it is.
Clinton's lack of support sheds light on another preference among voters. Perhaps the biggest takeaway is the fact that 54% of respondents said they want to nominate a candidate who can beat President Trump, rather than a candidate who best aligns with their political views. A bad sign for Hillary Clinton. In other words, Democrats are looking at 2020 as a fight, not for what issues they hope to bring up, but what candidates they look to bring down. Alex Salvi, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.